Hello, welcome back to my channel Survey Got Easier. It's your regular YouTube channel where you always learn on how to use your ArcGIS software. On today's tutorial, I'm going to be explaining to you on how to clip a raster image on your QGIS environment. With this image, we have this boundary. So what we are going to do is to clip this raster image on these two boundaries that we have in a situation whereby the raster boundary, because this raster boundary is just too big for us to work with, is out of our boundary. So we want this raster to just fit into this boundary, and that's what we want to do. And for us to get this done is quite easy and straightforward, right? The first thing is you come to ArcGIS, you click on ArcGIS. Under ArcGIS we have data management tools, so you click on the plus icon beside the data management tools. And under this, right under data management tools, we have raster. This is it here, raster. You click on the plus icon beside raster. Under the raster, we have raster processing. So you click on this plus icon beside the raster processing, and we are on the lastly you double click on clip. Now let me quickly show you something. This is the layers. What we want to do is to clip the raster. Now under this input raster, as you can see, it's asking us to input the raster, and this is the raster of what we want to. This is the raster image here, natural CSV one. That's we want to clip into the boundary, and the boundary we want to clip is this BD on red background. So I'll click on this drop down arrow and I will select. So I'll click on this drop down arrow and I'll click on this natural CSV as my input raster, and the output is going to be our boundary, which is on red, that is the BD. You double click on that, and lastly you click on this, check in this use input features for clipping geometry. You check it in and you click OK. So as you can see now, it has clipped out the raster image into the boundaries that we want. Under this image that was clipped, if I should close this now, you will see this boundary has been clipped. The raster image has been clipped into the boundary. Alright, what I will simply do is to change this color. If you are not satisfied with the background, you can definitely bring out any raster color ramp that you want and you click OK. You can see you can change the color of the raster depending on the color, your color of interest, the classes, and that is how to successfully clip a raster image using your ArcGIS environment. And if you found this video helpful, do want to subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment and share.